So the next thing I have is managing debt.
Okay.
How
Okay.
important is that?
Hey man, listen, man, debt, you gotta well see when it comes to the debt, you gotta make sure that you always getting the best interest rate. So when you're looking at like when I look at a person's profile, if they paying interest on credit cards, then I tell them they don't know how credit works, right? Because you always supposed to be finding products that are 0% interest. If you don't have them now, then that's your next step. You got to find those so that you can move that money over, because that's the difference between making money and not making money is interest rates, which is debt,
Uh
right?
huh. Uh
So
huh.
so we have to look at, like I said, the 0% on credit cards, and then we also have to look at they have this concept called velocity banking, right? And so I think that that's a great thing that everybody should take a look at, where you take money from a line of credit or even a credit card product, and you use that to start paying your debts down faster. Like even with your homes, like with this same concept, you can pay your home down in 5 or 6 years instead of the 30 years. So managing debt, man, is number one. Yeah, we have to look at managing that debt. What I realize is that because of life and work, and we don't have a lot of time to focus on ourselves, and
Right.
not understanding that that's the most important thing to do. Manage that debt, right? Figure out how to have more banking relationships, so in the future we have that access.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Because it's not really necessarily about now. You know what I mean? It's about the future. It's about an opportunity that may be coming soon, and we just want to make sure we prepared for it. That's how I see it.
So you just managed. You just talked about credit. You just said the word credit. So how important is um, managing that credit to get wealthy?
Hey, well, I think it's one of the most important concepts, especially with our community, but really all communities. Most of the millionaires I know, they use credit as a launching pad to get to where they are. And even a lot of the people that's in high spaces, they go out and get venture capitalist money. They go out and borrow money from other people, whether it's credit or not, whether they got good credit or not. They put a business plan together and they borrowing money from somebody. So how important it is? It's the most important. Look at Shark Tank. I think Shark Tank
Uh
is a
huh.
prime example, and I think the name is beautiful because those people are getting sharked, right? They because if they had credit and they built their own portfolio the right way, they wouldn't need to give up half of their company for
Right.
some sharks. So it's
Right.
the most important
Right.
there.